Hello there, how are you? Welcome back. Well, this is a real brief, kind of extended version of the short I uploaded on my solar vent fan for the utility shed. Now, I purchased this off of Amazon for $9.99. I'm not sure how much air it's really going to move out of the shed, but because I have a solar setup inside the shed and these lithium ion batteries are kind of heat slash cold sensitive, I thought it was about time that I went ahead and put some type of a vent other than the passive vents under the gabled ends. So a simple 5-inch hole saw drilled a hole in the roof of the shed. This vent slides right into the hole. I did mount the lip of the vent up under the ridge cap, again just to send the water the correct direction. I had some terrible butyl tape. I put it on here to see if it would actually seal it, and I also had a oversized rubber gasket that I put at the head of this vent. Now, just a real quick, spoiler alert, it finally rained last night and there were no leaks on the shed, so there was no need for me to caulk this. The other thing is, if I had some real butyl tape, not this dried up, it worked, but if I had some fresh stuff, I would have felt even more confident about this install instead of having to wait for the rain. Plus, putting the edge up under that ridge cap really made all the difference. Then I just used some of the leftover self-tapping sheet metal, 3/4 inch sheet metal screws that I had to attach it to the roof. And this thing comes on when the sun hits it, and it turns off at night when the sun goes away. And it has its own on-off switch. So for $10, it was definitely worth taking a chance and trying it out. Alrighty then. I want to thank you all for stopping by. Have an absolutely wonderful and blessed week, and I will see you next time. Take care.